Alright, what up YouTube? So, unlike everybody else, we're gonna do this unscripted. Unscripted. No editing either, so if you find this to be a long video, sucks to be you. I don't care. Okay, anyway. So the review on these, the MPOW the wireless headset. There is a set on Amazon for, what was it? $16? But these are the models that came out right behind it, the sport versions. And this one was just like $3 more. And it says supposed to have higher bass, so I got it. So let's flip it around. Let's see what it says. So true high definition sound and deep bass. Advanced noisy cancellation. Noisy cancellation. Okay, now we know where it's so cheap. It went into marketing right there. Comfort plus stability design plus soft ear tips. Made for sport, IP7 water resistant, built-in microphone, and blah 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 blah. Right? All right, let's cut this sucker up with this one hand. Like other side. And yo, all these people that do reviews, yo, honestly, they always do unboxings. I'm not just doing an unboxing. I'm just going to do a full-out review. Give my honest opinion on how these things work. Because I got them, because I saw one review, they said it's good. But on Amazon, there's like so many people that gave it like 4.5-star ratings. Can I get this open with one hand? Come on, fool. Do your thing. I ripped the box. What? What? Wait, hold up. How do you get this open? Is it this side? Hold up a second. We're going to put this down for a second. You know what? Talk among yourselves while I get this box open. Alright, I figured out how to get the box open before I went nuts. It's a flap right here that you pull up. And, yay. So in the box, what we got the lovely headphone. Wait, it's not the headphones. Well, it's a carrying case. Oh, anybody had anything like Beats by Dre, which I had. The Monster headphones before they were rebranded Beats by Dre. Case feels just like that. We got important reminder. Oh well. File away. What's this? Match your smart life. There's a bunch of MPOW products I have never heard. Oh, okay. Wait, that thing zoom in? You see that thing on the left? I did not know that was an MPOW product. I thought it was just a cheap way to waterproof your phone. I still think it's a cheap way to waterproof your phone because it probably is a cheap way to waterproof your phone. And boom. Alright. Let's open this sucker up. You know what? I'm doing this with one hand off the cell phone. Don't judge me. Mind you, I just got these in today from Amazon. Inside, whoo, what we have? We got the headset. Flat wire. Wow. Is that a button? No, we got tactile buttons on the top. Is there a button on the bottom? There's a charging port. We already know what that is. I thought one of these was a button. Whatever. I don't know how to power these on yet. Oh, I guess I'll have to read the manual how to turn them on. Alright, let's see inside. We got... Those are memory foam tips, yo. I think I'm going to use those because every time I buy something like in the air, it always falls out. What else we got? USB charger cable. Yeah, I know, my table's a mess. Sue me. And you got smaller, all the sizes, and then that's for this, so you can like make the loop like this in the back of your neck, like a zipper. Anyway, pause it. I'll try these out. Talk about yourselves. I'll let you know my honest review. Alright, so I just tried these out. And the power is that's a button on the right one. These things go wrap behind your neck. Anybody that's with some braids, I'm gonna tell you, these things are awesome. The bass on it is rich, and it's a cheap pair of headphones. That's Bluetooth. That's actually comfortable to wear. I didn't even change the tips yet. So, would I recommend buying this? Oh, yes. So, check them out. If I can, I'll put a link in the description, or you just go on Amazon, type in MPOW. All right? Peace.